So you are most welcome, P4 learners. This time we want to look at still under the theme of measurement, topic of time, and this time I've brought for you addition of time. Now, when we are looking at time, I told you that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Always don't forget that. Whereas 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. When you keep those things at your fingertip, time and again, we shall always be able to handle anything concerning time. So it should be at your fingertips as we are handling this work. Now, remember I told you that when we are adding numbers, doesn't change. Either you're adding under time or normal numbers, under any base, base 10, base 2, doesn't matter. The order remains the same. So this time, as we are adding this time, we are looking at hours and minutes. Remember, time is always grouped commonly into 3. We have the hours, we have the minutes, and we have the seconds. But in most cases, we always look at the hours and the minutes. That's why I've grouped it that the minutes are on our right hand side, whereas the hours are on our left hand side. And in any addition that we are carrying out, addition, subtraction, we must always begin from our right hand side as you move this way. And remember, minutes are always smaller than the hours. So you find that since 60 minutes make up 1 hour, they make up 1 hour. So there's no you can begin with the hours this way because minutes are less than hours. That's why we are saying we add from the right hand side as we move the left hand side. Now the concept here, which is very nice and good for you to understand as a P4 child, is since 1 hour, please let me write it here. We all know that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Why have I put this thing here? When you're adding under these minutes and you get that your minutes have gone beyond 59, what do we do? We cannot write here, for example, if we have 50 minutes and then here we have 30 minutes. 50 plus 30 gives us 80. Now, remember, an hour alone is only 60 minutes. So will you write the 80 there? No. That's why I have been very specific that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So I want to look at this first example. And when we are adding, I will give you 2 ways of adding under this. You should be very careful when you are adding issues of minutes versus hours. So we are going to begin, as usual, from this side. You can say 24 plus 14 separate. So 4 plus 4 gives you 8. Then 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Now when you look at this 38, compare 38 and 60. You realize that 38 is smaller than 60. Therefore, you can write under the minutes because it has not yet made an hour. So you get here 38 and write here as 38. Yes, someone is asking, why didn't we say 4 plus 4, 8? That's why I brought it here. Why? It is all minutes. When we add it here, what we get can easily be compared to an hour. You can now see that you can look at the 38 and compare to 60. You realize that the 38 minutes are less than 60 minutes. Then, there is nothing we are regrouping. Therefore, 4 plus 3 gives you 7. I hope you can now see that. That means 4 hours, 24 minutes, plus 3 hours, 14 minutes equals to 7 hours, 38 minutes. Very simple, just by comparing. Now, let us look at example 2. Example number 2, the same thing we did it there. There we began from the right hand side to the left hand side. We are beginning with the minutes. I told you, remember, 1 hour equals equals to 60 minutes. Now, we are picking under minutes. 45 plus 25. Now, what is 5 plus 5? It is 10. You write 0, you regroup 1, because we are still under minutes. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Now compare 70 minutes to 60 minutes. 70 minutes to 60 minutes. You realize that it's bigger. So what are we going to do here? The other time it was less, that's why we wrote 38. But we cannot come here and write 70. What are we supposed to do? You will pick the 70, which is bigger than 60. You subtract the 60 minutes. What you have subtracted, this is an hour. This is equivalent to an hour. That is 1 hour subtracted. So what you remain with is 10 minutes. This 10 minutes now is less than 60. You come and write here 10 minutes. Remember, you subtracted an hour. You removed it away from the minutes. Where do you take it? You take it, you regroup to hours. It has made an hour. This minutes, 45 plus 25, makes 1 hour and 10 minutes. The 1 hour is the 60 minutes. So this 60, you don't take it as 60 minutes there. No. You change it as you have seen it up here. That 60 minutes is the same as saying 1 hour. So you come here in the left hand side and put 1. I think we are moving on well. Now, when you realize that 60 is equivalent to 1 hour, you come and put 1 there. So 1 plus 7 plus 2 gives us how many? 10. That is as simple as that. I think now you can answer these questions. You can realize that when you get 1 minute, you just subtract the minutes you have got minus the 60 minutes, which makes an hour. Then you regroup the 1 hour there and you add. Therefore, you will conclude for me here and put for me that answer. It has already been put. I think that one is fine. So after looking at that, I will expect you to do this exercise. There are only 2 numbers. When we come next time, we shall look at more 2 examples which involve other application of addition here. Therefore, do the right thing and answer it well. As we meet again, we shall look at the work remaining. Please continue subscribing and wait for these lessons time and again. Thank you very much. May the Almighty God bless you abundantly.